Oh, Julius, ano ko? Pakita na miridi ni Ugma, bahala na. Not sure that what's up. My girl's in the next room. Sometimes I wish she was you. I guess we never really move on. It's really good to hear your voice say my name. It sounds so sweet, coming from the lips of an angel. Hearing those voices makes me weak. Later, never want to say goodbye, but girl, you make it hard to be faithful. Magkabot ni Ma'am DC ug Oh, ma'am, mo ni nang absent mo. Upog na gina, ma'am.
Nakaulan. Nakaulan.
Nakaulan.